In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sparkline in Google Sheets. A Sparkline is a tiny cell-sized chart that shows a quick trend at a glance, which is great for dashboards or compact reports where you want visuals without a full chart. Start by opening Google Sheets and loading the spreadsheet you want to work with. Make sure you have some numeric data ready, ideally arranged in a row or a column. For example, you might have a series of monthly values across cells B2 through E2. The Sparkline will summarize those values inside a single cell. Click the cell where you want the Sparkline to appear. This can be anywhere you like, such as just to the right of your data row. Now type the formula exactly like this. So in Sparkline B2 E2. The equal sign tells Sheets you're entering a formula. The word Sparkline calls the function, and the part in parentheses is the range that contains your data. The colon between B2 and E2 means everything from B2 through E2. If your data runs down a column instead of across a row, you would reference it vertically, for example B2, B5. Press Enter. You should immediately see a small line chart appear in the cell you selected. That is your Sparkline, and it reflects the trend of the numbers in your specified range. If the Sparkline doesn't appear, double check that your range points to cells with numbers and that there are no stray text values. Also make sure the cell with the Sparkline isn't formatted as plain text. A few quick tips to help it stand out. If the Sparkline looks cramped, widen the column or adjust the row height to give it more room. You can also reduce the font size in that cell so the line has more vertical space. If you change any value inside B2 through E2, the Sparkline updates instantly, which makes it perfect for live trackers and dynamic reports. Keep in mind that Sparklines are lightweight visuals, not full charts. They don't show axes or labels by default, and that's by design. They're meant to be concise. If you ever want to go further, the Sparkline function supports optional settings to change the chart type, colors, or how the line behaves, all inside the formula. But for a fast, clean visual, entering Sparkline B2E2 and pressing Enter is all you need. That's it. You've created a Sparkline in Google Sheets, turning a row of numbers into a clear trend line right inside a single cell.